Enhance your outdoor space with versatile concrete landscaping borders. Concrete landscaping borders and edging stand as a testament to both versatility and longevity, transforming outdoor spaces with durable beauty. These elements withstand the test of time, enduring through seasons and trends. Incorporating concrete edging into a garden not only defines its shape but also elevates its overall aesthetic. This clean, defined look separates areas neatly, making each space within the garden distinct and visually appealing. Soil erosion, a common challenge in outdoor spaces, is effectively countered by concrete borders. Their solid structure acts as a barrier, protecting the soil from being washed away, thus preserving the garden's integrity and health. Concrete edging plays a crucial role in maintaining landscape order by containing mulch or gravel. This containment ensures these materials stay within their designated areas, contributing to a tidy and well-maintained outdoor space. Customization options for concrete edges are vast, offering a variety of shapes and sizes to suit any garden design. This flexibility allows for personalization, enabling gardeners to craft their ideal outdoor aesthetic seamlessly. Installing concrete landscaping borders begins with planning the layout and excavating a trench along the desired edge. The concrete is then mixed, poured into forms, and shaped according to preference, ensuring durability and a seamless integration with the garden landscape. Opting for straight or curved concrete edging can dramatically alter the character of a garden. Straight lines offer a modern, minimalist look, while curved edges complement natural, organic garden layouts, providing flexibility in design and enhancing the visual flow of outdoor spaces. Concrete borders serve an important environmental role by reducing soil erosion. They act as barriers that prevent soil displacement caused by water runoff, ensuring that gardens retain their structure and nutrients, essential for plant health and growth. The containment of mulch or gravel is another significant advantage of concrete edging. It prevents these materials from spreading into unwanted areas, maintaining a neat appearance and minimizing maintenance efforts. This containment also aids in moisture retention and weed suppression, contributing to a healthier garden. Customizing concrete edges opens up a world of possibilities for garden design. With a variety of shapes, sizes, and finishes available, gardeners can choose edging that complements their outdoor space's aesthetic, from smooth, rounded edges to textured, angular designs, making each garden unique. Opting for concrete edging is a smart financial decision for homeowners. Its durability means it doesn't need frequent replacements, making it more cost-effective than materials like wood or plastic that degrade faster. Selecting the right type of concrete edging can elevate the look of any outdoor space. From smooth finishes to natural stone textures, the variety available allows homeowners to match their edging with their garden's theme seamlessly. Concrete borders significantly enhance a garden's functionality. They delineate planting areas, prevent the spread of grass into flower beds, and improve the overall organization, making gardening tasks more manageable and less time-consuming. DIY enthusiasts might be tempted to install concrete edging themselves. However, professional installation guarantees a level of precision and durability that is challenging to achieve without the right tools and experience, ensuring the edging remains beautiful and functional for years. Incorporating color and texture into concrete edging offers an avenue for creativity in garden design. Colored concrete can mimic natural stone or provide a bold contrast, while textured edges add depth and interest, enhancing the garden's aesthetic appeal. Concrete edging serves as a key design element in creating seamless transitions between various garden zones. It elegantly delineates spaces, allowing for a smooth flow from one area to another, enhancing the garden's overall cohesion. Incorporating color and texture into concrete edging opens up a realm of aesthetic possibilities. It enables gardeners to add a personal touch or thematic continuity, making each garden zone distinct yet harmoniously integrated. Troubleshooting common issues with concrete borders, such as cracking or discoloration, is essential for maintaining the garden's aesthetic appeal. Timely repairs and preventive measures ensure these elements remain functional and visually appealing for years. Looking ahead, future trends in concrete edging are poised to include innovative materials and designs that offer improved durability and environmental sustainability. These advancements promise to redefine garden aesthetics, blending functionality with cutting-edge style. Blending concrete borders with natural landscaping elements strikes a balance between the man-made and the natural. This approach enhances outdoor spaces, making concrete edging an invaluable tool for achieving a harmonious garden design.